जय हिंद एवरीवन। काफ़ी बच्चों का सवाल है कि सर एयरफोर्स के अंदर किस तरीके से डिस्कशन लिया जाता है, सर कैसा वहाँ का माहौल होता है, कैसे हमें जो है वहाँ पर जो है चीज़ें देखने को मिलेंगी। तो आज आप लोगों के बीच में रियल जो एक्सपीरियंस होता है बच्चे वहाँ पर, वो हम आप लोगों को दिखाएंगे। हमारे पास एक ग्रुप है हमारे यहाँ पे जो कि आप लोगों को ग्रुप डिस्कशन करके दिखाएगा। जो पूरा प्रोसेस जो होता है फेज 2 का, वो आप लोगों को आज के सेशन में जो है देखने को मिलेगा। बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त सेशन रहेगा ये, तो इसको कंप्लीट देखिएगा। और आप लोगों के क्या कुछ फीडबैक्स हैं, क्या कुछ आपके रिव्यूज़ हैं, कैसा किस स्टूडेंट्स ने परफॉर्म किया है, इनको मोटिवेट जरूर कीजिएगा। कैसा आप लोगों को सेशन लगा ये कॉमेंट सेक्शन में आप ड्रॉप करके जरूर बताइएगा। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। गुड आफ्टरनून जेंटलमैन, हाउ आर यू ऑल?
Fine, sir.
All good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are here for a group discussion. But before we starting group discussion, I'm just sharing you some instruction that you have to keep in mind before starting the discussions. So group discussion has been divided into three main parts. Number one, writing part. In writing part, you will get 5 minutes to write your thoughts on a rough sheet. You will be given two sheets there. Number one is a rough sheet and number two is a fair sheet. 5 minutes you will get for the rough sheet and 10 minutes you will get for the fair sheet. After the completing of the process of the rough sheet and fair sheet, so 1 minute will be awarded to each candidate to introduce yourself and topic narration as well. So this is the writing part. Number two, the introduction part, that is a narration part. In the narration part, each candidate will be awarded one minute. Suppose chest number 1 will be awarded 1 minute, 2 and chest number 3, chest number 4 up to chest number 14 and 16 will be awarded 1 minute. In 1 minute, mid of the half of the minute, you will be introducing the yourself in 20 second and the 40 second of the narration part of a given topic. I'll read some lines about the topic. You have to write down some lines, some important points of a topic on your rough sheet. After the process of 5 minutes, I'm just giving you 10 minutes, extra 10 minutes. With the help of rough sheet, you have to write down your thoughts on the fair sheet. So this is all about the process. The introduction will be finished. Once the chest number will finish, chest number 14 will be finishing their introductions. So discussion will be open. Discussion will be open. Every participant can participate in the discussions. You have to follow the group etiquettes. You have to follow the group etiquette. You do not have to address me, do not have to look at me during discussion. Be loud and clear. Remember this one thing. So these are the process. I'm sure you got it. Yes, shall we start? Yes, so sir. I'm just sharing you the topic, and topic name is unemployment in India. So I'm just reading some line. Okay, gentlemen, now you have only 5 minutes. I'll read some lines. Near about 5 minutes, you have to write down whatever you got it. So just mention on your rough sheet. Increase in unemployment is directly proportional to the rate of growth in the economy of any country. With such enormous number of unemployment people, with less money in their pockets, people are restricted to change and upgrade their lifestyle, get in sync with the outside world today. This is causing low standard of living. Steps taken by Indian government. Skill India initiative was launched to train youth for the jobs in demand. Hence, the gap of lack of skilled professionals and unemployment. Drone Prone Area Program DPAP was launched in those areas struck with drought for the quite some time. This was introduced for the prime reason to delete seasonal employment from the society. What still needs to be done? The steps taken by the government till now have been successful in providing jobs, but most of them are temporary people. Now demand permanent employment, giving them job security. Still 22% of Indian population lives below the poverty limit, which is strongly discourage India to move forward in the struggle of becoming one of the developed countries. With the startup boom and globalization situation have improved a lot of for growth. They are enabled to create jobs instead of seeking, but still there is so much gap in skill among youth. Many are not able to get jobs and are slipping into depression. New immigration policies of development countries are adding fuel to the fire. Skills gap, investing more and creating jobs will solve the problem. So, gentlemen, now you have 10 minutes for the fare sheet. So whatever you have wrote on the rough sheet, with the help of rough sheet, you will be avoiding 10 minutes to write down on the fare sheet, and your time start now. That is our narration round. So 1 minute will be awarded to each candidate from starting from chess number 1, subsequently chess number 14, right? So now we have 14 candidates. So in your introduction part, first of all, you have to introduce yourself. Second one, the topic narration as well. Whatever you have written on your fare sheet, you have to just you have to take some lines in the terms of your narration part, which you have to mention in the narration part, right? So in the introduction part, you have to follow this instruction just I'm going to share with you. So there are some couple of lines which you need to understand. Number 1, your name, the place you belong, your qualifications and your achievements. You just have to mention 4 points in your self introduction. Rest of the part will be avoided yourself, right? Shall we start? Okay, just number 1, please start.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Ravi Prakash. I reside from Jodhpur. I have completed my 12th standard from State Board. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which you have assigned to us. So our today's topic is unemployment. In India, population is very high and increasing day by day. But jobs are not increasing with population. It means or indication of health of economy. In village, many people live below the poverty line and they are unable to compete with metro city people, and they can't able to educate their child properly. Today now everything has changed. Instead of computer, it means employment is getting less.
Next.
Now,
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vikram from Bihar. I have completed 12th from State Board and now pursuing graduation from State Board. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is best way to serve the nation in uniform and most disciplined job. Now I would like to assign the topic which has been assigned to me. Today's topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment is a state where people are jobless and searching for a job for last 4 weeks. It is a very big problem in India which is suffering. Unemployment is a reason where the people and their family suffering also. There are many reasons of unemployment, like lack of skills and so much dependent on government job and the education system in India which create the surroundings for the only placement and
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Amit. I am from Churu district in Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th class from state board. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. So today's topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment in India has increased standing, increasing lack of jobs are means unemployment in which candidates are for lack jobs who search last 4 weeks for jobs and they could not find jobs or include unemployment. The causes of unemployment is
Okay, next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vikram and I am from Chittorgarh, Rajasthan. I have passed my 12th examination with state board and now I am pursuing graduation with state university. Now I would like to come to the topic which has been assigned to us. Our topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment is a situation where individual is seeking for a job and willing to work, but he didn't find a job. He is unable to find a job, and main cause of unemployment are increase in population.
Okay, next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Hemendra Singh. I am from Dungapur, Rajasthan. I have completed 12th class from RBSc board. Now I am pursuing integrated BSc BEd from GGT University. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment refers to a situation in which if a person find a job but unable to find any is called unemployment. The biggest cause of unemployment is rapid growth of population and increased labor.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Paran Kumar. I am from Samli, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12 with UP board and now I am pursuing graduation. In my point of view, this topic is related to unemployment in India. The situation in which a person is searching for a job and want to earn money but he did not find any work is called unemployment. Unemployment remains one most precious of reason that growth of GDP in India is not improving. The reason of unemployment is increasing in the population and
Okay, next.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Manish. I hail from Jodhpur. Basically, I have completed my class 12 from state board and now I am pursuing graduation. Now I come to the topic which has been assigned to us. Today's topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment means people are willing for jobs but they do not get jobs. It is a big issue in India because it affects economy and people's lives. When there are too many jobless people, it leads to crime, poverty and other activities. The main cause of unemployment in India is population growth and lack of opportunities.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Dharmendra. I am from Hisar, Haryana. I have completed my 12th class from state board. Now I am pursuing graduation from IGNOU University. Now I would like to address the topic which is assigned to me, and the today's topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment is a state in which a person wants a job but they can't get. Many villages are below the poverty line, so they can't educate their children. So there is a main cause of unemployment. And many industries owners used more advanced machineries instead of humans. So this is a cause of unemployment. Thank you.
Jain cadets, my name is Dheeraj. I am from Delhi and I have done my class 12 from Central Board. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment means when people want to work but they don't got the job. In India, many people are unemployed and this is called unemployment. Some jobs are only available in certain season like farming. When farming season is over, farmers don't have work for next season. And sometimes people don't have needed skill for certain job, so they can't select it for it. And a few days ago we see state police exam was conducted in Uttar Pradesh, and There were 60,000 vacancies and 50 lakhs form fill for it. So we can see how much unemployment in India. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Prakash. I hail from Palodi, Rajasthan. Basically, I have completed my class 12 from RBC board and now I am pursuing graduation from State University. Now I would like to tell about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is unemployment in India. Unemployment means a state in which a person finds a job but he was unable to find job, and it is measured by the unemployment rate, which is number of the people in the labor force. Our government is taking step by Skill India and improving improving.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Rohit, I am from Agra. Now, I have completed 12 from State Board and I am pursuing graduation from State University. Now I would like to tell you about this topic which has been assigned to us. Today's topic is unemployment. Unemployment is the situation where person has no required job is called unemployment. Unemployment is a big issue for developing country like India. It's increasing as a population expanded. Machines and robotics are replacing the manpowers and it's create the unemployment. Thanks.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rahul Kumar. I belong to Muradabad, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12th class from State Board and now pursuing graduation from State University. Now I want to join Indian Air Force because I have one of the vast opportunity to serve the nation. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. The topic is unemployment in India. As we know that India is a developing country and it's 60 to 70% people are faced unemployment in India. Its data is increasing if government in India are not faced in future, or it's mainly reason for increasing population in India.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Shravan Singh Rathod. I belong to Bhilwara, Rajasthan. I have completed my 12th from State Board. Now I would like to tell about the topic which is assigned to us. Today's topic is unemployment. It is a situation when a person who is able to find the job, and who wants to a job but he unable to find the job. It is a serious problem which is facing by our country, and it also shows the growth of nation. Technology is one of the reason of the unemployment, because machines can do work proper and accurately as compared to the man.
Okay, next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Mayank and I am from Alwar district in Rajasthan. Basically, I have completed my 12th class from RBSC board and now I am pursuing BA from State University. Now I would like to tell you about the topic which has been assigned to us. So the topic is unemployment in India. In India, unemployment is a very serious issue that can be solved. Around 22% of our population is below the poverty line. It shows the health of our economy, and unemployment is defined as the part of labor force that is out of work. About last 4 weeks, I think.
India's population are also reason of unemployment, because population are increasing day by day, but job are stable.
There are many types of population. India is facing a big problem of unemployment. We are surrounded by disturbance like social media and phones. We are investing so much valuable time on social media and not focusing on our goal, study, education, which can help us to get employment in future.
There are many types of unemployment in India is found in peoples like cycling unemployment, full-time employment and partial employment, open employments, etc. And they are not find a job to do any work.
The main causes of unemployment in India has skill misunderstanding and slow economic growth and population increasing, and 22% of the poverty lines people.
Lack of students are searching for job, but he did not want to in more population increasing that he did not want to find out.
As we know that India's population is very high and day by day it's increasing. But jobs are not increasing with population. It is sign or indication of health of a nation. Of
Lack of
economy.
awareness and jobs and businesses is the main reason of unemployment.
And sometimes people don't have needed skill for available job, so they can't get the
Many
job.
industries using AI and computers because it is faster than humans, so it is a cause of.
India population and highest number of unemployment person in the youth.
In my opinion, is a major issues in India. In a recent study, 31 million people are jobless.
Youth are also responsible for it because everyone want to a job, but no one want to create a job.
In my opinion, education system of India
are
are
challenge because it is it is in youth because youth are our future and we can't leave them jobless.
Among all regions of India, East India has the highest rate of unemployment.
Unemployment is directly proportional to the national growth and economy.
In my opinion, in my opinion, there are many also reasons. Indian education system are one of them, because the Indian education system focus on not on a skill, on book knowledge, which not create the employment, because we need to change ourselves according to the environment and the needs that we can get employment from.
In my opinion, government is launched many schemes like Skill India program, drone program to reduce unemployment in India.
If we are a lot of time our government sector did not have finance improvement, but I am support to private sector.
In India, urban areas are
below the poverty line and they are unable to educate their children properly. And those people are unable to compete with metro cities people.
In India, urban areas are has higher employment rate of compared to the rural areas in India.
Agriculture sector is underdeveloped and it also shows the hidden unemployment, which is a type of unemployment.
The young generation is 3 times more likely to remain unemployed than older generation.
Government is working to control the unemployments and by launch the some schemes Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India.
There is a form of unemployment called structural unemployment. It happens when there is a mismatch between job and job seekers.
Indian government takes steps to reduce the unemployment and launch some schemes like Mahatma Gandhi Rozgar Act, etc.
Supporting entrepreneurs and small businesses, startups can leads and provides new job creation.
I agree with you, chest number 5, but government should create jobs and it support the small businesses who increase the employment.
If we are compare or ancient time and future time, in India has also increased unemployment, but its mainly reason for Indian population has reduced is mainly reason.
The gentlemen in India desire or wish to use modern machinery because there is more production in less time and there is no more requirement of laborers in that due to modern machinery.
And also government is starting Skill India program, so they teach people new skills so they get the new jobs.
Yes, as you know that the population of India increasing day by day, because and it creates unemployment, because we know that the problem of unemployment because the resources of are the stock, and so we cannot find the way to get the employment to the people.
Yes,
gentlemen, in India the mental health is also affected as a result of unemployed person.
In India, the agriculture has the unemployment rate improve, and the 27.1% of people are facing these problems of unemployment.
People are educated, but they don't have skills, so they don't got the job. Unemployment rate in India is 3:1.
Unemployment pushes the peoples to get involved involved in serious crime.
I agree with chapter number 6. It's mainly reason for agriculture. It's because in agriculture is output is low but import is high.
If we do not, agriculture is dependent on the seasonal employment and monsoon patterns.
If we do not control number 13, government invest farming and infrastructure can provide rural areas job.
Okay, gentlemen, let's conclude the topic.
In my opinion, unemployment in India is a major issue, but government has taken many campaigns to reduce the unemployment, like Nehru Gandhi Yojana and extra.
In my opinion, government in India more and more government and private job that's improving financial support.
In my opinion, India's economy is not very strong, but there are many posts and vacancies are updated, but increase in population
according
is
to me, government should create a practical knowledge education in place of theoretical education.
In my opinion, if we do not control over the unemployment, it will become a cause of big starvation.
Unemployment in India is a big issue due to population growth and lack of opportunities. Efforts to fix it, including skill programs and economic reforms, but it is still a big challenge.
Overall, the government improves the government scheme for find the jobs and improve the small businessmen to do more opportunities for the people to find jobs.
Okay, gentlemen, you did a great, wonderful job. So I really appreciate each candidate for a group discussion that was outstanding. So I have, observed some observations during a discussion. So I would like to share with each candidate by one from chest number 1 to chest number 14. So how did you perform, where you needs to be improved, everything would be, we'll be discussing with you. So chest number 1, everything was good. आपका confidence बहुत अच्छा लगा, मुझे energy बहुत अच्छी लगी. आपका participation was quite well. 3 बार आपने group discussion में participate किया. One time आपने जो है, conclusion के अंदर participate किया. So big thumbs up for you. No compliment for you, no need to be improved in yourself, everything was good. Chest number 2. So for you, during discussion, everything was good. So during discussion, remember one thing, don't do anything that is noticeable. During speaking, आप अपनी tongue को बार बार अपनी lips पर जो है बाहर निकाल रहे हो, तो ये एक्टिविटी बिल्कुल भी परफॉर्म ना करें आप ड्यूरिंग डिस्कशन. इस बात को ध्यान रखना. डिस्कशन के दौरान आपने 3 बार जो है पार्टिसिपेट किया है, ठीक है, 3 times you have participated. So that was outstanding, ठीक है ना, good. Chest number 3, good. But एक चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि थोड़ा सा नॉर्मल हो जाइए. Your speed was, बहुत ऐसा लग रहा था कि आप बहुत स्पीड में बोल रहे हैं. Starting was nice, but in the mid half वो स्पीड थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गई. तो I was expecting more because you participated only one time in a discussion and one time in a conclusion. So try to more participate in the discussion part, okay. So for chest number 4, good. One more thing, that is again I'm telling you, so low, pitch low. आपका अगर pitch low रहेगा, that shows you have under confidence, आपके अंदर confidence की कमी है. इस बात का आपको विशेष ध्यान रखना है. तो जब भी आप participate करें, so remember this, आपको सबसे ज़्यादा किस चीज़ पे फोकस करना है, अपने वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशंस पे. आप तेज आवाज में बोले, ये बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायर्ड है. अगर आप तेज आवाज में बोलेंगे तो लगेगा कि हाँ आपके अंदर वो क्वालिटी है, आपके अंदर वो स्पार्क, आपके अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस है, राइट. आप कितना अच्छा नॉलेज लेके बैठे हैं मैटर नहीं करता जब तक आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स वहाँ पर जो है देख लो. क्योंकि मैं तो आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल से ही इंप्रेस होऊंगा, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू देन व्हाट यू स्पीक आई डोंट नो, बट हाउ यू स्पीक आई रियली लाइक. आप क्या बोलते हैं मुझे फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता उससे, बट आप कैसे बोले, दैट्स रियली मैटर्स अ लॉट. सो आई थिंक फॉर नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल बी कीप इन माइंड दिस पॉइंट. सो चेस्ट नंबर 5, गुड एनर्जी, गुड वॉइस, सब कुछ परफेक्ट था आपका. आपने 3 बार पार्टिसिपेट किया है, 3 टाइम पार्टिसिपेटेड इन अ डिस्कशन, सो एवरी वाज गुड. चेस्ट नंबर 6, गुड प्रेजेंट. आपका प्रेजेंट करने का स्टाइल बहुत है, लगता नहीं है, बट एक चीज़ अगेन आई एम जस्ट sharing with you, absence of positive reflection on your face. Absence of positive reflection on your face, that shows that you are nervous. हालांकि वो आपके अंदर से नहीं, वो आपका नेचर है. आपने 3 times participated in a discussion, 1 time in a conclusion, so that really appreciable for you. चेस्ट नंबर 7, लुक नर्वस, लो वॉइस, बी मोर एनर्जी। आपने पार्टिसिपेट अच्छा किया, आपके पॉइंट्स अच्छे थे। 3 टाइम पार्टिसिपेट इन अ डिस्कशन, 1 टाइम इन अ कंक्लूजन, सो रियली अप्रिशिएटेबल। 2 चीज़ों पे आप काम कर लीजिए, आप बहुत अच्छे कैंडिडेट जो है बन जाएंगे। चेस्ट नंबर 8, अगेन फॉर यू, लुक नर्वस, यू नो रिक्वायर मोर एनर्जी। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? ठीक है ना, थोड़ा सा अपने अंदर अपने आप को एनर्जेटिक बनाइए। देखिए कि एक चीज़ सबसे कॉमन क्या होती है, आप ग्रुप के अंदर हैं, सो आपकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती कि आपको अपना मॉड्यूलेशंस ग्रुप के अकॉर्डिंग ही कोरिलेट करके चलना पड़ेगा। सो अगर आप ग्रुप के साथ अपने ग्रुप जो है रिलेट करके चलेंगे तो आपको वो एक फील आएगा अंदर से, ऑफिसर भी देखेगा। अब अगर बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो डाउन है, आप भी स्लो डाउन है, तो कॉन्फिडेंस दिखेगा कि इस कैंडिडेट के अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है। पॉइंट्स पे मार्किंग की मैं बात करूं, आप क्या पॉइंट याद कर रहे हैं वो तो आप ग्रुप डिस्कशन से भी निकाल सकते हैं, बिकॉज अगर आपको 30% कंटेंट भी याद है और आप दूसरों को सुन रहे हैं तो वहां से भी आपका पॉइंट जो है निकल कर आ जाएगा। बट मेन थिंग है कि आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल जो आपके पास, व्हाट यू हैव, हाउ इफेक्टिव यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग इन ए ग्रुप डिस्कशन, दैट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट दैट, राइट? सो रिमेंबर दिस। तो मुझे एब्सेंट लगा, बस इसको इंप्रूव कर लीजिए। बाकी ये 2 बार आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, सो रियली अप्रिशिएटेबल। चेस्ट नंबर 9, look nervous. And one more suggestion for you, don't repeat any word. If you think that if you fumble somewhere, just skip that word. Don't try to repeat the word, because when you're repeating that, it shows that you mug up the lines and you're just trying out to speak. So just avoid that. And during the narration part, you were looking down in a moment, so remember this, avoid that, right? So 3 times you participated, so really appreciate. Just number 10, look nervous, have positive reflection on face and don't repeat words. आपने भी repeat किया था, so I think आप motivate हो गए हैं just number 9 से, so remember this, okay? Just number 11, good, but little bit nervous. चेहरे से थोड़े nervous लग रहे थे, तो इसको improve कर लीजिए। बाकी आपके points अच्छे थे, counter part बहुत अच्छे थे। 3 times you participated, so that was good. Just number 12, good energy, good non-verbal skills, 4 times participated in a discussion, 1 time in a conclusion, so really appreciate. No compliment for you. The way you speak, it's really calm and compose your personality, so I'm very impressed with your personality, so really big thumbs up for you. Next one, chest number 13, right? Chest number 13, good, but don't be so serious, because when you get your turn, you will be active. I have to speak best. Now you're relaxed. But when you will get your turn, so you will be active. So be calm. You do not to be active there, right? Active means आपकी एनर्जी होनी चाहिए, but it does not mean कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस हो जाए अपनी पर्सनैलिटी को लेकर। तो ध्यान रखना है, थोड़ा सा अननेचुरल मुझे आई कॉन्टैक्ट लगता है, मुझे लगता है आप ऐसे आई कॉन्टैक्ट करते हैं, सो बी नॉर्मल, ठीक है? आप थोड़ा ऐसे करके आई कॉन्टैक्ट करते हैं, सो बी नॉर्मल, ठीक है ना? कोई आई कॉन्टैक्ट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी। कुछ टाइम के लिए आप इधर देख लीजिए, कुछ टाइम के लिए इधर देख लीजिए, दैट्स ओके विद दैट। इस चीज़ को ध्यान रखेंगे। चेस्ट नंबर 14, एवरीथिंग वाज गुड। 2 बार आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, बहुत शानदार था आपका एनर्जी, नॉन वर्बल स्किल, एवरीथिंग वाज गुड। सो आपके ग्रुप में मुझे किसी के अंदर कोई मेजर कमी नहीं लगी, राइट? हर कोई कैंडिडेट बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहा था, ठीक है ना? कोई फिश मार्केट मुझे ऐसा देखने को नहीं मिली, मतलब पार्टिसिपेशन आपका बहुत क्वाइट वेल था। सो रियली अप्रिशिएट। सभी ग्रुप को मैं पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहूँगा, बट इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन सो यू वुड आस्क मी हियर। एनी क्वेश्चंस? देखिए मिनट्स का क्या है, आपको इसी ध्यान रखना, आपको वहाँ पे 1-2 मिनट ऊपर नीचे हो सकती है, क्योंकि काउंटिंग लेके मत बैठना कि आपको पूरी 10 मिनट ही मिलेंगे। अगर आपको फेयर शीट पे 10 मिनट दिया गया लिखने के लिए, जस्ट ट्राई टू sum up in 7 to 8 minutes, because 2 to 3 minutes just have yourself कि जिसके अंदर आप रीड कर सके जो आपको नरेशन के अंदर बोलना है। इस बात का विशेष ध्यान रखें और ये आपको डेफिनेटली मदद करेगा, राइट? तो इस बात का ध्यान रखना है। एनी क्वेश्चंस? सो दैट्स ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आप लोगों ने देखा कि कैसा हमारे कैंडिडेट्स जो है यहाँ पर आप लोगों के साथ बहुत ही शानदार परफॉर्मेंस इन्होंने दी है। आप लोग भी ऐसी परफॉर्मेंस दे सकते हैं, बस अगर आप घर पे बैठे हैं तो चाय के साथ अपनी शुरुआत कीजिए और इसी तरीके से बेहतर तरीके से बच्चे परफॉर्म कीजिए। रियल एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों को जो हमने यहाँ पे शेयर किया है, इसी तरीके से आप लोगों को मौका होगा। हम वहाँ पे फीडबैक सेशन नहीं होते हैं, ऑफिसर इसी तरीके से जज करते हैं. प्रॉपर एनर्जी के साथ सिट अप स्ट्रेट, हैव अ पॉजिटिव रिफ्लेक्शन ऑन योर फेस एंड यू विल बी इंट्रोड्यूसिंग योरसेल्फ विद द टॉपिक नरेशंस. सो टिल देन स्टे ट्यून, मिलेंगे एक और बेहतर सेशन के साथ. तक के लिए ख्याल रखिएगा. बाबा, ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस सेशन.